Hello everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm John. Welcome to the new episode of Slow English Podcast. Hello Emma, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too, John.
Before we begin today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Slow English Podcast for more simple, clear, and fun English.
Yes! Hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey to speak English with confidence.
So Emma, what's today's topic?
Today, we're talking about how to speak fluent English with good vocabulary.
That's right. Fluency and vocabulary are the keys to speaking confidently. Without them, English feels broken or limited. With them, you sound natural and clear.
Exactly. And today, we'll share 10 simple and effective ways to improve your English fluency and vocabulary. After each tip, we will repeat, so you can practice with us too. Ready?
Yes, and very excited.
So the first is practice daily speaking. Speaking is like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger you get. Even if you talk to yourself in front of a mirror for 10 minutes daily, you'll notice huge changes. Example, imagine you're making tea. Just say aloud, I am making tea. I like hot tea in the morning. This builds fluency step by step.
Great Emma, so the second way to improve English fluency is read English books and articles. Reading is food for your vocabulary. Every page gives you new words and new ideas. Don't rush for big novels, start with short stories or even a simple blog. Example, if you read the sentence, she whispered softly, you learn not only the word whispered, but also how it feels. Reading makes words alive.
Nice, John. Listeners, we hope that our words inspire you to learn English even a little. So the third way is listen to English podcasts and songs. When you listen, your brain absorbs the rhythm of English. You learn accents, pronunciation, and flow without even realizing it. Example, a podcast teaches you how people naturally say, "What's up?" instead of "How are you?" Listening makes you sound natural.
Great. So the fourth way is learn one new word daily. One new word a day means 365 words in a year. That's powerful. Write the word, say it, and use it. Example, today's word could be grateful. Say, I am grateful for my family. Slowly, your vocabulary becomes beautiful.
Great advice, John. The next way is watch movies with subtitles. Movies are fun, and they teach without pressure. Subtitles connect sound with meaning. Example, in a movie, you see someone say, "That's awesome," and read it at the same time. Next time, you'll remember it and use it naturally.
Amazing viewers. You are halfway there. We are glad. So the sixth way is think in English. Most learners translate from their language first, and that slows them down. If you think directly in English, fluency becomes natural.
I'm going to love in this podcast, John. Next is practice speaking with a partner. Learning is more fun together. A partner corrects you, encourages you, and makes conversation real. Example, even saying, "Good morning, how are you?" daily to your friend builds confidence. English is meant for connection.
Next is use vocabulary in real life. Don't keep words trapped in notebooks, let them live. Use them in your daily talk. Example, if you learn the word beautiful, don't just write.
Well said, John. And the ninth way is record yourself speaking. Hearing your own voice may feel strange at first, but it's a mirror for your mistakes. You'll notice where you pause, mispronounce, or shine. Example, record yourself saying, "My dream is to speak English fluently." Listen, improve, and try again. Progress will amaze you.
And our last and very important part is stay consistent and confident. Fluency is not one-day magic, it's a journey. Be patient, be brave, and never feel shy to speak. Mistakes are just steps toward success. Example, think of a child learning to walk. They fall many times but still stand again. That's how you must treat English, keep going with confidence.
So, these were 10 powerful ways to speak fluent English with strong vocabulary.
Remember, friends, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, confident, and willing to learn.
And don't forget, we'll be back with another exciting lesson in our next video.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with us. And before you go and practice, please do subscribe and like to this video. We will give you 10 ways. Choose according to your choice and start doing that way and practice regularly.